keeps calling and won't give me a break if I don't throw him a bone. Go pick him up at his hotel and take him for a tour, Commander. Show him around the base, do whatever you want, as long as you keep him out of my hair. And take
Okay.
Williams with you. No offense, but she's more talkative than you.
So what you have
Well,
to do?
Commander, I guess we're the
Okay.
bone then.
So
Miller's hotel is on the way to the training area. Let's hope he's in a better
so
mood
your
than the
units
general.
are blue, ally units are green, and hostile units are red. Neutral units are gray. Okay, you can customize these color gradient options. So this is the blue color, as you can see. Select your unit with left mouse button and order your movement with right mouse button. Double click right mouse button to follow the road. Vehicle move fast on road and slow reform. Okay, so what you have to do is that this is your mouse cursor, and this, as you can see, green signs showing near the mouse cursor at some places like trees. So it's saying this place is good for hiding, but we don't need that right now. So this is our vehicle, Humvee, and you have to move this vehicle to this location. So how you're gonna zoom in and zoom out is just put a scroll down, so it is going to be zoomed out, and scroll up means zoom in. So what you have to do, you have to left click on the Humvee, so you will see all this thing. Press fast move app or road. So now here you have to go this exact location. WASD will let you move this thing. Okay. WASD. So left click on this location. So this Humvee will automatically follow the roads. And if you press the middle button of the mouse, it is going to, you can do all this thing just by that. Press the middle button of the
There are
mouse,
units from all three Baltic
and
states
you
you're going to
can,
check.
do
Lithuanian
like this.
artillery,
And
mechanized infantry
AWS
from
is to
Latvia,
move
as well
forward
as
and
reservists and
backward and
armored
left
vehicles
and
from
right like that.
Estonia.
So it's easy
They
to
have
do
different
that.
equipment, different tactics,
Now
speak
let's
different languages.
zoom in
Creating an
and feel
interoperable
the
force
road.
in this region is a real
And
headache.
our Humvee is about to reach to the destination. Now
Counselor
we are
Miller,
here.
I am Major Williams. It's a
The
pleasure to have you
counselor
with
Miller
us.
is here.
The commander and I will show you around on our way to the general. Please hop in.
Well, it's about time. Let's go.
Let's go.
Take me to the training ground first. I need to make sure that our equipment is showcased in the best possible conditions.
So all
The
the
exercise is about
exclamation
to start,
marks
so
on
you
a
will be able
map
to
is
see for
showing
yourself.
is a
But
training
I
ground where you
didn't
will
know there
learn
was a
how
show.
to operate different vehicle
This
and all
whole
those things.
exercise is for show, Major.
And if you
A
know
show, of
already all
course,
this,
for
you
our
can
potential
skip
enemies, but also an
directly
art
going into
for
the
our
hangar.
partners.
The same way,
I
how you
see.
can skip,
And which partners are you
left
trying
click
to
on
impress today,
Humvee
Counselor?
and then
That's
road,
confidential. Just
and
drive, Major.
just left click on this location. See, it will reach Humvee to this hangar. So if you don't want to go and if you want to cancel the command, just come to the right bottom of the screen and just cancel order. Okay, so it will not go up to that. We need to do the trainings. So let's go with
Are we there
on the
yet, Major?
first place. This is
Almost,
our
sir.
first training place. We have to come here. So again, left click on Humvee and then press road and left click on this training place. The Humvee will already will come into that place following the road. If you are not pressing the road, Humvee will move straight, like it's going to cover the displacement way or the distance way. Press scroll and go up and down, and if you press the middle key, so you can watch anywhere you want to see a 360-degree view vision by pressing the middle key. You can do that. So now we have to go in lens. I like it. So in our Humvee, it's here in going to that place. We will do some trainings over here. I'm gonna explain everything,
This is the artillery training
whatever
ground,
I
sir.
know so
Here
far
our
related
soldiers
to
practice
this
fire
training
mission
thing.
procedures.
These
The
are
commander will make a demonstration for you.
tanks.
Well, let's see how much time it'll take you to hit all these targets, Commander.
So these are the targets that I have to hit. As you can see, artillery unit don't fire automatically. Right click on the target to give a fire missile. So what I have to do? These are my tanks. So left click. I have selected the tank. Now come to this two location. These two things will do a lot of things. First, you can move your artillery. It can go like that. Okay,
Sir, the
these.
vehicles must be kept on the shooting platform for safety reasons.
Okay. I cannot move. I don't want. Well,
Well,
these
run
game
it
don't
all
want
day,
us to move.
Commander. Will you manage to hit or target or not?
That's no problem. Now these are weapons. If I unselected it, this weapon will not be used. So I want specific these missiles. So I have unchecked these missiles. So this artillery will not fire these two missiles. This will only fire this one. Now my job is to select the target. So for selecting target, I have just pressed the right. So it's going to prepare and fire. Let's see how precise it is firing. Okay, another one.
Is there a problem, Commander? The mortars are waiting for a fire mission order to destroy the targets. Dispersion increases with distance. That's why more rounds are needed to hit targets located further away.
So
Smart
now
munitions
that's
don't
now
have this
stop
problem.
again.
They are much
Shoot
more
all
accurate
its
and can
missile. We
correct
don't
their
want that.
trajectory to hit a target designated by a laser.
So now that's done. We need to hit these two targets. So we have used this missile as 120 mm PGMM. Unchecked it and check this one. Okay, we need to try all those artillery power. So again, right click on this. So again, this one is preparing for it, and now it is going to fire, right? Absolutely, I guess it should be firing. Order is ready. So now my job, I want him to hit this target received, and he is going to use this missile, I guess so. He's not using it. Let's use some another tank, I guess. Like this. Okay, and let's select this first one, and let's target this thing first. Just for right click. Okay, now another tank is going to fire. That's okay, no problem. Let's see how many rounds it is going to take. Okay, this looks interesting. Hit on a target. Missed. Completely missed. Oh, missed. The reason is that because target is out of the range. That's why it is taking more number of artillery than a single one. It done this firing. Do it again because tank is still standing. Once the tank is down, so just press the stop on the left bottom or right bottom here. See my cursor? Stop. It will stop firing. Okay, it's not working properly. Oh my god, missed. Completely missing things. Okay. Now, so one more target left. Let's see. Now he's going to attack this one. Again, let's see. I hope Just right click is to select the target. Okay, shot. As soon as closer you will get, you will feel the sound of the missile, and you will feel the theatricals
As you can see,
firing.
our latest battlefield management interface enables extremely responsive fire missions.
It was I who sold that concept to Congress. Glad to see it works in practice, too.
Now, again, left click to Humvee, then on the right bottom road,
So how is your hotel, counselor?
then
I've heard
again
it's
to
quite
this
fancy.
location because this is an air
Apart from the
defense,
fact
so
that I
let's
was
go to the
woken
air
up every
defense.
20 minutes by helicopters passing right over my head, it was lovely.
So Humvee will automatically follow the road. Otherwise, it can directly going from here to there. Yes, it's just you're just selecting these two locations. Okay, so the reason for sending this thing by road is no, the vehicle will move faster on the road. So what is this?
Hey,
Please?
why is the radar of this Patriot turned off?
It's the standard procedure to keep the radar turned off by default, to keep the unit mobile and avoid destruction by anti-radiation missiles. They can still use their backup tracking systems to target aircraft, but in this mode, their detection and engagement range are limited.
Then switch this radar on, Commander. Let's see how far target practice drones can be detected and engaged.
So for turn on the radar, you have to left click this thing, Patriot, and then come to the right button. You see radar, or you can press Z. Radar is on. Left click or press Z. Radar is on. It will automatically destroy this target. You don't have to do anything. Automatic.
Wow, the range of these missiles is impressive.
The efficiency of the radar depends on the altitude of the target. Low-flying aircraft are harder to detect, and helicopters cannot be targeted at all as they fly below the minimum detection altitude of the radar. That's why short-range air defense, SHORAD, is needed to complement long-range surface-to-air missiles.
For short range, we have to use this and attack this right click. This thing is going. Okay, nice. Done.
Fine demonstration of our firepower, Commander. The
So
message
for
is clear.
helicopters, you
No
can use
country
this.
equipped with our anti-aircraft systems need worry about its airspace being violated.
Oh. Let's do the another training round. This is maintenance area. This is what tank shooting range. So left click on Humvee again, then road, and press here. My Humvee will automatically reach to this location. Not bad, not bad.
Can you step on the gas a bit? We're crawling.
Sorry, sir. There are strict speed regulations on the base.
Yeah, of course there are.
This is the tank firing range. A platoon of M1A2 Abrams is ready for the demonstration.
Tank
Tank
firing.
armor is much stronger on the front than on the sides. The training of our crews consists in maneuvering to engage the enemy from the
So I
flank,
have just
while
moved this tank
minimizing
just
the
by
exposure
left
of
click
their own flanks.
on the tank and right click on the location where I want it to move.
Explosive rounds
Right?
to engage infantry and lightly armored vehicles, and armor-piercing rounds
Just
to deal
left
with
click
heavily armored targets.
on this selected left click to select this tank, and I want to move on this location, so right click on this location. This tank will move to that location. Again, see,
You should move closer to the targets to demonstrate the increased penetrating power of the kinetic ammunition, Commander.
again, this tank is selected as you all can see. Come, move this location. Left click and then right click to move to that location.
Very
Nice.
well. Now, can you send as many targets as possible? Let's see what a Soviet invasion of Europe would have looked like.
So multiple tanks are coming. I want to smoke one place. Left click and again smoke.
Our tanks benefit from good reverse speed, which is not the case with Russian-designed tanks. This allows us to move backward to avoid being overrun, while maintaining our powerful frontal armor facing the enemy.
Okay, no problem. How many tanks are coming? Okay, smoke. This tank needs to smoke again. Destroy all these tanks, my friend. Destroy all these tanks. Move to this location, move to this location. This will destroy all these tanks. That's good, good. I like it. Amazing firepower, my friend.
This is
Amazing.
it. 70 tons of American diplomacy.
You mean 70 tons of a diplomatic nightmare? I had explained to the Lithuanian government why they needed to reinforce all their road bridges from here to Poland to support their weight.
Sure,
No.
but when they arrive, nothing stands
Let's
in their
move
way.
to different location. Same.
And
Left
how
click
was
on
your
Humvee.
flight, Counselor?
Then road.
Completely unremarkable. You know, I spent half my
Then
life
to
in
another
the air,
location.
so the only surprises would be finding snakes on the plane, flying the thing myself, or reaching my 60s without getting cancer.
Humvee awaiting orders.
I want him to go by.
Armored transport, standing by. Roger. Moving to next waypoint. Moving there now.
It's going by road. This is going to be a fourth location for training.
Helicopters are impressive machines. Boy, are they noisy.
Our pilots are ready to take off. Do you want to hop in for a ride, Counselor?
Certainly. It'll be a nice change from those little private helicopters that fly like cabs.
Cargo helicopters can transport troops and supplies, but also vehicles as long as their weight allows it. One of our vehicles broke down during a maneuver exercise. Let's go and recover it with our helicopter.
Okay. So left click on this thing and then to move to that location. Now the helicopter will move.
The hooks are in place. Now let's drop it off at the repair station.
Okay, so I want this thing to go to the repair station. Again, right click on here.
It's received.
The helicopter will automatically will reach to this location. So now let's see. This is for decoy. This is for attack. This is for cancel order. This is for change altitude. It's arrow downward. It means this helicopter will move downward. And this is unload. I will show you. As your helicopter is over here. So when I will press this thing, it will change altitude to downward direction. And now I can have a press unload.
Drop zone coordinates received. The vehicle has been unloaded. The mechanics will get it back in working order. How about a little target practice now, Counselor? Get behind one of the machine guns, and we'll put you in range of some targets to shoot at.
But I have never fired a machine gun before.
Don't worry, it's very simple, and I'll be here to help.
Okay.
Call my helo Vatican.
So left click and my change the altitude. My elo is going up. and I have moved my helo towards, near this tank, uh, so that it can hit these targets 1, 2, and 3. Let's see how it's going to be fine. Right click to give the coordinates, left click to select the target.
Here we go. Bum, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Come on, get some. Woo! Yeah. Get some, get some.
It will automatically hit the target. You don't have to do anything.
Pretty impressive for someone who's never shot before.
That must be a natural.
All the targets are down. Let's head back to the helipad.
I've
So
not
again,
had that much fun in a long
right click
time.
to this
You sure
place.
that entertained me.
Now the helicopter will come back to this
You
place
should come work with me.
automatically.
With you by my side, getting those contracts signed would be a breeze. Plus, you wouldn't have to work with this grumpy old man anymore.
Thank you for the offer. At the moment, I'm tied to my current assignment.
I see. Well, think about it.
Done. And I need to be in my Humvee.
Humvee ready.
Humvee ready. Now let's move to the next location, which is actually over here. So right
Good
click.
copy. Next waypoint received. Already there.
Now it's going to come by road. Okay, left click to select the Humvee. Then press left click on road, and then left click on a map where you actually wanted to go. So now by selecting road, it is going to follow the path by road. Otherwise, it is directly straightforward coming to this place. So I don't want it. This is going to be a 5th place. Nice.
What's going on here?
Some of our vehicles broke down, apparently. Thanks to the diagnostic system integrated into our vehicles, we can easily identify which part is damaged.
So red parts need a repairman. Yellow is good.
We cannot let that happen. Not today.
Don't worry, sir. We have the necessary supplies to repair them. The commander will call a cargo truck from the support group and make sure they bring.
So
a
these
big load of
are
supplies with
spawn
them.
point ground. So these are cargo truck. So what you have to do, you have to come to this left top, this thing with the mark of house, and this is going to be supply. This supply you need to left click, and the supply. Okay, 3000 kg supply is there, and you need to just left click on this. Now the Humvee will come to this location. Not Humvee, this truck will come to this location, and off it will automatically take care of the problem. You just need to unload the supply. So how you can unload the supply? Just left click to this truck, and here you can see option unload. It's going to unload. Done unloading. It is repairing all the tanks automatically. You don't have to do the thing.
The vehicles are now fully operational again.
Perfect. Now let's move on.
Humvee awaiting commands.
So now Humvee, we need to move the Humvee again. So let's go to next target practice. It is going to be here.
By the way, Counselor,
So that is
where
our
do you and the
Humvee,
General know each other from?
and again road,
Ah,
and this location.
we
So
were
our Humvee will
friends
come here by
once.
road.
Good friends, actually.
Oh, and what happened?
Can we just not have this conversation, please? When do we get there?
So we will learn all the planes, how to fly that. We will learn how to operate all the tanks and all that. So now we are
This
already
is the
here.
ATGM shooting ground. It stands for anti-tank guided missiles. They travel slower than tank rounds, but have a greater range. Their use is therefore preferable when the line of sight is unobstructed.
Yeah, I know that. Send the targets. Let's see that in practice.
You don't have to do anything. They will automatically hit the.
In absence of a specific command, the gunners communicate their targets to each other. If a missile is already in flight, the other gunner will give priority to another target. That way, no missiles are wasted.
It's a pleasant surprise to see I'm not the only one worrying about the taxpayers' money here.
The range of the missiles can be superior to the detection range of the unit, so they generally work alongside recon units. The gunners are trained to switch targets mid-flight if the initial target disappears or if instructed to do so. This is particularly useful, as the long flight time of the missile can give time to the enemy to take cover or activate their smoke dischargers.
I hope you use the old TOW 2A for this demonstration. The new Top Attack TOW 2B costs twice as much, so using them against anything other than a tank is a waste of resources.
Don't worry, sir. We use special training ammunition.
Humvee is
both
ready.
cheaper and less
We need
hazardous
to
than
move with
regular
our
ammo
Humvee to
during
this place, but by
exercises.
road.
Roger. Moving out.
Our Humvee will move. Let's move to the next training ground. Leave it. We are done with that training. By wasting time.
I see nothing happening here. What's going on?
It's a good sign, sir. Our troops are exercising their camouflage skills here. They try to reach the target area undetected by staying away from the hostile patrols, staying in cover as much as possible.
So
and
these
sprinting
are
to move
hostile
across
patrol
open
and we
areas
have to
faster.
move our scout
Recon
sniper
units
to
are
this
specially
location.
trained
So
and
what we have to
equipped
do,
remain as discreet as possible.
to
They have a reduced
left
visual,
click,
thermal, and electronic
and
signature,
as you
which
can
makes
see
them
the
harder to
tree
detect.
sign near the
Electronic
pointer,
signature.
it
So
shows
they
you can
refrain
hide
from
over there.
posting geolocalized
As you
selfies
can see,
during the
there is
mission?
no tree point over in this. You
Impressive.
cannot hide over here. So what you have to do, just left click on the scout sniper, then to this right click to this place. Okay, and when they are moving, when they are in open, just press Z to sprint. So they will sprint. As you can see on the right bottom of the screen, the sprint option is there. You can press the left click. If they will detect you, you are busted.
Quick like.
So we are in incognito already. So we have to move from this location to this location. As you can see, 3 marks is there, means we can hide over there. So let the tank go, and we cannot sprint for another 41 seconds. We don't need it. Move there. Sneak. We can sneak. Don't worry. Now we need to sneak from here to this tree. As you can see, there is no tree mark over here, but tree mark is over. We can hide over. Let's move there.
Stealth mode.
We can sprint after 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sprint. You need to sprint before the tank can scout us. Move fast, fast. Tank is coming. Now we are safe. We can move to this location. Right click to move. We can hide as long as we can, without any problem. So now let the tank should go. We don't need to fire anything. These are guns we have, but we don't have to fire. So that tank is going. Now we have to move from this location to this location. But there's no tree mark over here, and we need to move. So let's move over here.
We're moving in silence.
And we cannot sprint anymore before this icon. So we have 20 seconds left. I think we will be there. Let's see where are these tanks. No tanks. Nice. At least we are where we have to. Scout snipers are here without any problem. There are those tanks. I'm not able to look them. So that tank is here. That can. We are in range. Not range of that tank. Okay? So let the tank go. Then we can do something. That we need to hide here for a while. Without another tank, where are we? I'm not able to see. And look at that. It's the tank. Now we need to move to this hide location and we need to sprint as well. So let's press the sprint and now we can run fast.
Copy. Infiltrating. On the double.
Now we have to move to this location without getting detected. Yes,
Silent.
we will be. Don't let that tank see us. No, don't. Oh, we have
Well,
done.
well.
Well.
We have hide and seek champions.
Let's move to another location, which is this one. This one is going to be last.
Troop transport ready.
So I think this is going to be a fight
Was
between
Bennett Staff
two
your first assignment, Commander?
troops, or
What about you,
two
Major?
teams.
Yes, sir. It's been 5 years now.
Well, you didn't draw the winning ticket with him as CO. He was sidelined a long time ago, and you won't be able to advance your career if you stay attached to that sinking ship. What's being built here?
Nothing. This is the close quarter training area. Infantrymen use these buildings to simulate urban combat. The rules are simple. We try to capture their sector, and they try to capture ours.
Sounds good. Let's see what you're made of, Commander.
Okay. What you have to do? Left click on this one and this van
Our troops are ready to be called
with
as
firepower
reinforcements,
here.
Commander.
Okay. So I want my that truck should be here. So left click on exact this position on the map. The truck will come. So as soon as we will get the money, again this is gonna cost 80.
Infantry
click
weapons have varying ranges and efficiencies.
on
Long-range
this
support
building.
weapons usually require the unit to be static, while
Back
short-range
here,
assault weapons can be fired
45.
on the move.
Waypoint received.
Assault
I
weapons
want
are
these
also more
things to
effective
be-
once in range, and can be used to breach buildings held by enemy units.
This.
Copy. Relocating.
Okay. So I have 52 points.
Someone call for a cab? Reconnaissance. Standing by.
Vehicles can provide excellent fire support, but are vulnerable to infantry anti-tank rockets.
Okay. Now
They
let's
must therefore be kept out of their range as much as possible.
go.
Pedal to the metal.
Hit guys, hit. Move. So just you have to just press left click and right click to move the target. Select and move.
When units are under fire or take damage, their stress level increases, which makes them less efficient. There are 2 levels of stress expressed by a blinking orange or red color on their label. When a unit is low on ammo or heavily damaged, it's preferable to send it back to base rather than abandoning it to its fate. Units
Yes.
sent back to base become available again
So you need to, if you see these targets are hit, taking a lot of damage.
Weapons team at your orders.
So what you have to do is just send them to base just by clicking this, thing, this bunker sign, as you can see right bottom. So this thing will be going back to the base.
Heavy
So
weapons
let's
team incoming.
move.
Heavy weapons
Let's
team is under fire.
let's move all this thing to over here. You need to capture those things. Here.
Roger. We're on the move.
If you can. Our rangers and tanks to start going there. We will destroy them soon. So soon.
Standing by. Regroup and move up.
So we are closing in.
Requesting orders.
We are closing in, and we will destroy them back to base. Oh, they destroyed. They destroyed. Man, destroyed. Destroy them. Move to this location.
Weapons team ready.
So once your vehicle move to this location, you will capture this location fast. I'm sending this troop over here, this MK-47 AGL, and okay, we have to capture this.
Rangers here. We're under fire.
We have captured this ground. We have captured this ground. Nice. That's done.
But it
Good.
demonstrates one thing. Our allies are not ready at all to defend themselves. Had it been the Russians in front of them today, they would have been
All the
slaughtered.
training are done, guys. If this video helps you out, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the whole video.
That's all
And
well
please
and
don't
good, but I'm not
forget
here for
to
these trifles.
like
Got a
and
major
subscribe to my
fighter jet
channel.
contract to
Let's
attend
meet
to.
in another video. Bye bye. Have fun.